So let's begin. Uh, our today's session is about Microsoft Ignite Editions MS Learn Skills event. So this is basically just like Cloud Skill Challenges opportunity by Microsoft. Every year, Microsoft brings this opportunity for students and professionals also to learn something and develop their skills in Microsoft technologies and futuristic technologies like DevOps and AI, ML, GitHub, etc. So we will be completely understand in this session what is Microsoft Ignite Edition challenges and what is the difference between these challenges and cloud skills challenges. So let's start it. So previously I wrote and published an article about this Microsoft Learn Cloud Skill Challenge Ignite Edition. So you can also explore this. I will share the link of this Medium article of mine and you can explore it by your own. This is the official website which also include in my article. So yeah, this is the official page you can find from here. I can just share this link with you so you can explore it in your PC or mobile. So now let's begin with the Microsoft Ignite Edition, Microsoft Learns Cloud Skill Challenges. There is a slight difference between these challenges and Microsoft Learns Cloud Skill Challenges, which you had recently completed. I hope you saw. Microsoft comes with 12 challenges like Microsoft Fabric, Microsoft Azure AI language challenges, Azure AI, and you can see right here there are 12 different challenges which you can explore and uh, complete it. These are just like Microsoft Learns Cloud Skill Challenges, but in Microsoft Learn Cloud Skill Challenges, we can also the Microsoft Learn student ambassadors can also make these challenges and share with other participants. But in Microsoft Ignite Edition, these all 12 challenges are made by Microsoft officials. Then there are some prizes, some parts of these challenges. Uh, so we will discuss it further. So first of all, I'm going to tell you how you can join these challenges. Like I already joined this challenge and completed some of its modules. So all challenges are technologies related to Microsoft. Like Azure is a product of Microsoft, Azure, and machine learning. There is also a DevOps, so it's also a Microsoft product. These all are Microsoft related technologies and you can explore them. If I want to join one of their challenge like 365 Copilot, so I will just click on it and uh, you can see here 2800 people's already joined this. So here are 13 modules and in this challenge. From here you can join this challenge and it will last for these challenges will last for 2 months until January 15. So it started from November 15. I think it's on the official page of Microsoft Ignite. Yeah, there is. The challenge ends on January 15 and it started from November 15. So these all challenges are for 2 months and We can join them in these 2 months. So just you need to click on this. If you already joined some or completed some Microsoft Cloud Scale challenges, so you will be aware of these challenges and you can easily uh, join and complete these challenges. So there are some of modules, we can complete them, and here are the progress bar. We can check our progress right here. So if I click on this module, and there are 7 units in this module. If you are completely beginner and don't know about these Microsoft Learn platform, I have also created some of videos and blogs. If I can show you right here, everything you need to know about MS Learn Cloud Skill Challenges and Microsoft Learn AI Skills Challenges. If I click on it, if you are completely beginner, then read this blog. Here I also attached my video, so you can also explore it. Everything you need to know about Microsoft Learn Skill Challenges. So in this video, I also describe about MS Learn platform, and you can also explore MS Learn platform. You can simply click on this start button. So if we click on start, so here are some of our points and here are our levels. So I am in level 13 and I completed more than, I think I will show you later uh, how many challenges I have completed or how many modules I had completed. So you can complete it by just reading it right here. And if your answer is wrong, then don't worry. We can still just see my answer is wrong, and if my answer is right or wrong, we can still continue our exercises or modules. So this is still wrong. So I'm just how many of these are correct? So after last exercise, we can earn these badges and share on our social media. So in the same way, you can complete all the modules. If I refreshed it, so first modules will be completed 100%, and our progress bar is on 4%. You can complete these all modules in the same way, just as I described. Okay, so this is very simple process. Now I'm going to show you my profile. You can see your profile from right here. I can zoom it so you will see it clearly. Right in the top right corner, click on profile, and from the profile you will see all of your badges, all of your trophies, and on which date you had earned this badge. You can see I have earned more than 290 badges, 60 trophies I had earned, and I just completed this module right now. Okay, so if you want to see your achievements, achievement is basically your certificates. you can share them or print them like this. I completed it today, just now, and if I click on it, it will generate a certificate. I can now print it or share it with anyone. November 18, 2023. I previously described you how you can explore it or join these challenges. Okay, there are total of 12 challenges, and you can explore it one by one. You can take part in one challenge or uh, take part or join these all 12 challenges. There is no restrictions by Microsoft. And if you complete your first challenge, you will earn a badge. uh, all participants will receive Microsoft Learn Skill Challenge badge upon completion of their first challenge. So if you completed your first challenge, you will receive a badge from uh, Microsoft Ignite badge from Microsoft. And here is a golden opportunity for all of us. Draw. 5 lucky winners will receive full event pass. So they will receive a pass of Microsoft will give access to all these participants, 5 lucky participants who completed these all challenges, and their name will comes in lucky draw. So they will receive exclusive access to Microsoft premium products, premium tools. And here is a great thing about this VIP event pass. So you will also achieve the opportunity to meet and greet with Microsoft officials. Complete these all challenges. This will not take so much time. Uh, if you have no idea about these, like Azure AI language, you can still complete it. These all challenges are for learning purpose. Basically, these challenges, main motive or purpose is to compete with others and develop your skills. Now tell me any badges on your profile showing to 125. Microsoft Learn is a great platform. Uh, they are providing the opportunities of learning with the latest and futuristic technologies like AI, ML. Ignite is not just about Microsoft Ignite Edition or Microsoft Learns Cloud Skill Challenges. There are also uh, some benefits. There are more than 4,700 modules, learning paths. You can also complete them as well according to your area of interest. There are .NET modules, Azure, Bing, Flip, GitHub, and many others. Just named it and you can find right here. If you cannot find, if you will not be able to find your desired result, so you can search right here like web development. So there are modules comes with the filters of web development. There are web development modules available on this platform, and you remember that we already uh, completed a Microsoft uh, Learn Cloud Skills Challenge on web development. So here you can see JavaScript arrays and loops, JavaScript variables, uh, and HTML and CSS is also web development. So you can search right here HTML. So you will find some of the results related to HTML. Okay. If you have query about Microsoft Ignite Edition, Microsoft Learn Skill challenges, so you can ask in the chat box, or you can contact me directly on WhatsApp or LinkedIn. Thank you so much, guys, for attending this session. We will soon arrange more session, more challenges. Now you can leave. If you have any questions, uh, connect me on LinkedIn and ask your